Imagine you're wiring a house. Do you want the fridge to turn off every time you flip the hallway light switch? Absolutely not. That simple decision comes down to a fundamental choice in electronics: series versus parallel circuits. One is a simple single-file line, the other is a robust multi-lane highway for electricity. Let's start with series. Picture those old, infamous holiday lights where if one bulb goes, the whole string dies. In a series circuit, all the components are connected in one single continuous chain. Electricity has to flow through the first bulb to get to the second, and so on. The big problem? If one bulb burns out, the chain is broken, the circuit is open, and every single light goes out. It's a total system failure. Not only that, but the more bulbs you add, the dimmer they all get, because they're forced to share the voltage. It's like trying to feed 10 people with one pizza. Everyone stays a little hungry. But parallel circuits are different. Think of them like the rungs of a ladder. The main wires branch off, and each light bulb gets its own independent rung, its own direct path to the power source. If one bulb breaks, the others don't even notice. They stay on, shining just as brightly. This is the masterpiece of engineering inside your walls. Every outlet in your house is a separate branch, getting the full, undiluted voltage needed to power your life. Of course, there's no such thing as free energy. That reliability comes at a cost. Because every component in a parallel circuit draws full power, it trains a battery much faster. The series circuit, while fragile, is more energy efficient. It's dimmer, but it sips power, making the battery last longer. The same logic applies to batteries themselves. Link them in series, end to end, and you double the voltage for more power. But place them side by side in parallel, and they'll last twice as long. Ultimately, this choice defines our technology. From a simple flashlight to the complex grid that powers our cities, it's the humble parallel circuit that provides the robust, independent power we depend on every single second.